Okay, this is my summer project from Summer Pathfinders 2020, Furia Labs Python with Robotics, taught by David Ewing, who is the entrepreneur engineer who designed the CodeBot and the mastermind behind the curriculum that goes with it. This is my NightRider. NightRider has lights that go back and forth based on list processing. It has a song that goes round and round from the speaker here based on also list processing. It has motors that go round and round based on a loop function, and they all happen simultaneously based on BotServices. So here we go, NightRider. Power and start. And there you have it, Kitt, the NightRider.